So now last things last, we're gonna just be making the rear glass window. Isolate this controller over there. PS. And let's just get that. Let's get it out of there. Extrude the x-axis. Let's dissolve the extra edge. Now we're just gonna move it there. Oh, we have extra vertices over there too. Control X. Now just SZ that there. Now we're gonna get two edge loops down in the middle. Now SC, same over there. There we go. GUI. Just push it down. Let me push it inside just a bit. Now EY, just extrude it inside the Y-axis. That's a little bit. There we go. Isolate this. Subdivide, shade smooth. Give it the borders. There we go.